In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog with ChatGPT prompts. This is a simple and effective way to create a ready-to-publish article quickly, especially if you want a strong first draft without spending too much time staring at a blank page. The key idea here is that the quality of your result depends a lot on the quality of your prompt. So we're going to focus on writing a clear, detailed instruction that gives ChatGPT everything it needs. To begin, open ChatGPT and create your prompt. In this example, the prompt asks ChatGPT to write a detailed blog post titled 10 Simple Morning Habits That Can Improve Your Productivity Every Day. Then it specifies exactly what should be included in the article: an engaging introduction, 10 practical habits, real-life examples, actionable tips that readers can use right away, common mistakes to avoid, a concluding summary, and an encouraging call to action. It also helps to define the tone and structure. In this case, the prompt tells ChatGPT to use a conversational and informative style, along with clear headings and short paragraphs, so the article feels easy to read and is already formatted in a publishable way. This is important because the more specific your prompt is, the more useful and polished the response will be. Instead of asking for a blog about productivity, you're giving clear guidance on the title, the content, the writing style, and the final layout. Once you've typed the full prompt into ChatGPT, take a quick moment to review it before sending. Make sure the title is correct, the instructions are complete, and the output you're asking for matches the kind of blog you want to publish. Small details in the prompt can make a big difference in the final result, so it's worth checking everything once. After that, click Submit and let ChatGPT generate the blog post. That's it. With one strong prompt and one click, you can create a structured blog draft in just a few moments. If you want better results, remember this tip. Be specific about the topic, the sections you want included, the tone of voice, and the formatting. Clear prompts usually lead to clearer writing. Use this same method for other topics too. Just replace the blog title and customize the instructions to fit your subject. It's a simple workflow, but it can save a lot of time and make content creation much easier.